My name is Megan, and this is my aha moment. I trained to be a chef in Hatteras, North Carolina in 2002. I always knew I wanted to be a chef, and I didn't really know how I would balance that with family. And we went through a couple of hurricanes and moved back to back to Nebraska, rather. And when we started to have our family, I knew that I really didn't want to go back to work full time. Certainly didn't want to own a restaurant, be there, 80 hours a week. I wanted to do something with the cooking, but I didn't want to go back to work full time, so I started Meg's Catering so I could stay home with my boys. I get a chance to be creative, which is really my most favorite thing, and I can stay home with my kids, and I can also integrate them into what I do. My 5-year-old loves to cook with me, so I really enjoy that. I always wanted to be something that was important, that meant a lot, doctors, lawyers, that kind of thing. But it never really hit me that family, to me anyway, is the most important. And so looking back on my life now, I would say that what I do is probably the most important thing I will ever do, is being a mom. But I still have my own identity in getting to cook for people and see them enjoy my food. It's the best of both worlds. I would say the lesson for people is to do what you love, no matter what. I'm not a rich woman, but I do what I love with the cooking, and I'm able to watch my boys grow up. I'm able to raise them at home, and I think that's priceless.